Once upon a time, in a small, impoverished village, there lived a humble father named Raj and his young daughter, Maya. They were known throughout the village for their indomitable spirit and unwavering love for life. Despite their meager circumstances, Raj, a simple laborer, had lost his wife when Maya was just a baby. Left to raise her on his own, he was determined to provide her with the best life he could. However, their life was far from easy, as they struggled to make ends meet and often had to go without basic necessities. But Raj possessed a unique outlook on life. He believed that happiness could be found in the simplest of things, and he imparted this wisdom to Maya from a young age. They would spend their evenings stargazing, finding joy in the beauty of the night sky, and Raj would tell Maya stories about the constellations, teaching her to appreciate the wonders of the universe. As Maya grew older, she began to understand her father's philosophy. She realized that their poverty was merely a circumstance, not a definition of their worth or happiness. Maya excelled in school, always inspired by her father's unwavering belief in her potential. With determination and the support of scholarships, she managed to secure a college education. Raj's sacrifices were immense as he worked tirelessly to fund Maya's education. Yet, he never complained or sought recognition. He knew that his true wealth lay in Maya's happiness and success. Maya went on to become a successful architect, breaking the cycle of poverty that had plagued their family for generations. Her achievements were a testament to her father's love and the values he had instilled in her. Years passed, and Maya's success grew. But she never forgot her roots. She returned to her village and, with her father's guidance, started a foundation to provide education and support to underprivileged children. As the years passed, Raj and Maya's bond grew even stronger. They remained inseparable, sharing every triumph and challenge life threw at them. Raj continued to work as a laborer, but his heart was light, knowing that his daughter was achieving her dreams. Maya, now a successful architect, often found herself reflecting on the lessons her father had taught her. She remembered the evenings they spent by the river, watching the sun dip below the horizon and Raj's words echoing in her mind. Every sunset reminds us that there's beauty even in endings, Maya. It's up to us to find it. Inspired by her father's wisdom and fueled by her desire to give back, Maya decided to design and build affordable housing for low-income families. She believed that everyone deserved a safe and beautiful place to call home. With Raj's unwavering support, she started her own architectural firm dedicated to this mission. Raj, now a bit older and grayer, didn't stop working, but he did it with a sense of pride and fulfillment. He watched as Maya's projects transformed the lives of countless families, providing them with not just homes, but also hope for a brighter future. One day, as Raj and Maya stood together on a hill overlooking the village, Maya turned to her father and said, "Dad, you've given me the most precious gift of all, the belief that life is about love, kindness, and making a difference. I want to ensure that your legacy lives on." With tears in his eyes, Raj smiled and replied, "Maya, you already have, and you continue to do so every day. You've taken the lessons I've taught you and turned them into something extraordinary. That's the greatest gift you could ever give me." As the years went by, Raj and Maya's story spread far and wide, touching the hearts of people from all walks of life. They became known not just for their resilience, but also for their generosity and compassion. Their village, once struggling, began to thrive, thanks in large part to Maya's projects and the community initiatives they had started together. But the true essence of their story was the unbreakable bond between a father and daughter who had taught each other the most important lessons of life. They showed that love, perseverance, and a positive outlook could turn even the harshest of circumstances into a life filled with purpose and meaning. Raj and Maya continued to cherish the simple moments, the sunsets, the starry nights, and the laughter that echoed through their home. They knew that true wealth was not measured in riches, but in the love and connection they shared. Together, they proved that life, no matter how challenging, could be a beautiful and meaningful journey when lived with an open heart and
an unwavering spirit. Share your valuable feedback on how you liked the father and daughter story.